between these two, but here the best metric is same between these two routes, and the metric is 80. Why? Because here we have one link and also another link. The 40 plus 40 is equal to the 80. And then this routes we see from the OSPF in the OSPF 1, and this is an inter area routes, because you know that this is a summary of the type 3 LSA. After that, in the NXOS1, if you need, you can configure another cost. For example, please use the cost of 10. Okay, now in the NXOS2, as you can see here, we have the cost of 50. Why? 10 is the cost of the summary plus the cost of the link, 40 is the 50. Okay, and also if you want, you can use the area ID, range, the summary, and then not advertise. This means please do not send the summary, and this is a filtering mechanism. Show IP route OSPF, we don't have any routes received from the OSPF. Let me change it to the, for example, advertise. Now again, we should have the route. Let me check it. Okay, first we should deny the previous command here with the no, and then we can use the command again in the NXOS2. Now we have the pass. This is the summarization on the OSPF. Let me to write here the command of summary in the NXOS for OSPF, router OSPF, for example, tag. Then we are in the router config router, and then in the router config router, okay, you can use area ID. Then the area ID is the area of the subnets, area ID range, summary prefix, okay, and for example, length. If you need, you can use cost option, and also we have another option, not advertised. Not advertised is using for the filtering, not advertise. You know that this command is so similar with the command in iOS. In iOS, we are using area ID range, summary prefix with the dotted decimal notation of the mask. And this is the OSPF summarization in NXOS. In NXOS1 also, if you check show IP route, routing table of the for example, NXOS1, the routers that summarize the routes, you can see here one discard route. You know that this discard route is a null route, and this is for loop prevention. And we have this discard route to the null 0 also in the for example, iOS. But here we can see one important things, and that is the administrative distance of the discard route now is 220 in NXOS.